towards the forest, but hey, I'd rather not have that aim towards me.
No lie.
Mosquitoes.
No, it doesn't say. No, does it say on the other side?
Where's the fuse?
Not that side. This side over here. We don't want to have it sideways towards us at all.
Side's the fuse on.
Yeah, we'll have the fuse side facing towards us, so it should be like down along. It should be down here, right? Yeah, somewhere along the edge somewhere.
Well, this is not there.
It should be taped up too. Right? Oh, just looking for the fuse.
Oh, it was on the side.
Was it?
Oh, wait, other.
Other side?
Oh God, the butts.
Oh my God, no doubt.
Right there.
There it is.
Oh,
All
there
right.
it is right there.
All right, spin it around a little bit. So, ooh. After we get it pulled out.
I can't get it.
I think I might have gotten a chunk of ash in my eye.
Ooh, that's not cool. From that last one?
Yeah.
The Death Star got you, dude.
They might have. That's what I get for saying I was going rebel.
That'll teach you.
That'll teach you.
Wow, this is some good stuff.
I don't have fuse protector.
They protect it really well.
Label it child-proof.
3-year-old men can't get into this fuse.
Shit.
Where is it? We just light it right here.
No, we gotta.
Oh, I think I broke it.
Stick lighter. We gotta get through that freaking protective tape. I think up in the middle is where it's actually going into the package, though.
Good job, good job.
Mosquitoes just follow us right over here.
Yep.
Which way is
There we go, yeah.
Bammo.
All right.
One fuse. And this is Coco what?
Now this is going this way.
This is the Coco Island?
Yep, that way.
Coco
All right,
Twist.
back up, Rob.
Holy fuck.
This is loud.
Hold on.
Got it.
Where's your nice rack?
Nice. It's over here somewhere. Probably gonna trip over it right away.
I think I see it right here. No, that's the
All right,
good
Rob.
There we are. Oh.
Wow, for 12 shots, that's pretty impressive, man.
I think the Coco one